All right, going to discuss the Playback old radio I found. Really gross condition. It's a PB8 TSJ. Not much info, but wide frequency range of different channels. Taking a look inside. Quick red blue wire. We can see I took out the 4D cell batteries. Replaced with a 18650 holder and a buck converter. Wire's a little rough shape, but I did wind up soldering and I did get a continuous connection. Transformer looked in good shape. Um, Basically a two-prong 120 volt AC. I am going to have to replace that, at least a connector. The wire looks okay. I do need to check for continuity. But I might clip those red and black wires. So here's a switch, battery to AC switch, local to DX switch, external antennas for the external antenna for the shortwave, and then an external antenna for the VHF. There's a mono, and then the stereo headphones. Coming out of the transformer, we see the yellow wire and two black wires. Yellow wire goes to the switch, AC battery, and then that capacitor's blown. I think that's where the corrosion's coming from. Like it was bulging out. Um, Back to the wiring. I needed to take a look and see before I remove that power supply audio amplifier board what all the different wires were. And the video I shot wasn't in the best shape in regards to audio and video playing smoothly. There's some wires there, bundle. One of the red, because there's two of those red wires going to that potentiometer. I wound up marking with a black marker to have a black, red, with that little bundle, two reds, a blue, and a black that went up to the tuner circuit. Then there's a little twisted pair of yellow and black that go to the headphone, stereo, and the mono. Um, Pioneer speaker, kind of nice, but rough shape. And then as you can see, the top's rough shape. Need to replace an antenna. This was prior to cleaning up a little bit. Some of the cardboard cover I took out. Wanted to make sure I documented. I had some old photos before I had cleaned up the inside of this. That's a battery case, battery holder. And there's that little section there that replaced. And this is when I took that power supply audio board out, audio amplifier board. And yeah, definitely that capacitor blew out and sprayed electrolyte and corroded quite a bit. I'll have to take a look at and replace those capacitors, deoxy it, and then lube once I get the time to replace those caps.